Hey guys, this is Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport coming from Guaranty RV Supercenters at RV Park here. Today we're going to look at a 2020. This is Chaparral, so 27 RKS. So when you come inside the door here, you're going to notice a couple things about this. This is a rear kitchen. You're going to notice the big fireplace. The TV is right in front of the Thomas Paine couches here. There's a window in the back over the oven. A window in the very back. Lots of light cabinets. There's a fan above the kitchen. So last thing here, the couch here makes into a bed. The bathroom area, you're going to notice a big skylight. There's some place to hang your clothes on the side here. There's a wardrobe, lots of storage. So up here in the bedroom, there is a air conditioner above the bed. This has a bedroom slide that slides out so you can get around the bed. In the front closet up at front, you have a place for a washer dryer. TV up here, there's a lot of storage. There's a wardrobe up here. There's a dresser. Hey guys, just want to go over a couple quick things. This one, Asdale levelers. You got big pass-through storage through here. This one comes with 2 ACs. There's a lot of things to go over. Give me a call on my cell phone. You can email me, you can text me. My cell is 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.